Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall WooCommerce affiliate tracking plugins, complete guide step by step clearly. Ensure you have admin access to your WordPress dashboard. Log in to your WordPress admin panel. In the left sidebar, navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Installed Plugins to see a list of all active and inactive plugins. Locate the WooCommerce affiliate tracking plugin you wish to uninstall. Check if the plugin is currently active. If it is active, hover over the plugin's name. Click on the Deactivate link that appears. Once the plugin is deactivated, the page will refresh. You will now see the option to delete beneath the plugin's name. Click on the Delete link. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the plugin. Confirm that you want to delete the plugin. The plugin will be removed from your WordPress site. If you have multiple plugins to uninstall, repeat the steps for each one. After uninstalling, navigate to Settings to check for any residual settings related to the removed plugin. Adjust or remove any settings, if necessary, to ensure there are no lingering effects. Finally, clear your website's cache to make sure all changes take effect immediately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.